How to hide the blocked accounts on Instagram. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can hide your blocked accounts on Instagram. So the very first step that you can follow is go on the Google Play Store. On the top search bar, you can simply search for Instagram right here. Make sure you have installed and updated the latest version of Instagram so that you won't miss out any new features. So if you want to just block anyone on Instagram, just tap on the profile. On the top right side, you'll see three vertical dots. Tap on the block option and you are done. They are blocked from here. Now, if you want this person to be hidden, then you can simply go there and tap hide your story and you can simply about this account. After you tap on about this account and tap on the former users, now you can simply tap on repost change has their username for you. So even if they have their six users, you won't be able to see any users from there. Now when you refresh your Instagram, you will see that even if you type their profile name, you won't be able to see the person's profile on your Instagram. Only if you have some messages, then you can see the messages with the written that this person does not exist on Instagram, which you can simply delete it clearly. If the person is deleted, then you can just long press on it and delete the messages as well. And if you have blocked them, then it is also blocked and the messages are also deleted. Then you can then it is simply hidden from your Instagram now. You don't have a problem now. So that's how I can solve your problem. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.